Hi team, welcome back. So in previous session, we already collected all the annotations available in TestNG. Today we will discuss about the before method and after method. Okay, so come on to the Eclipse. I am creating a simply new class. So right click new class. I am giving the name as a test case 5. This is my class name. Okay, so this is a simple class. In this simple class I'm just adding one test. Okay, at the rate of test, and I'm just giving the my method name as, let's say I'm verifying the login, let's say verify login. That's it. So this is a one simple test I'm just added to my class. Okay, now once I execute this test case, we know that this particular test will be executed and we will get the output as pass or fail. Cool, I executed and it is saying it as a pass. So this is a test. Now what I will do is I will include before method and after method also here. Okay, at the rate of before method. Okay, and I'm just adding public void, and I'm just giving a name as a, let's say before method, some name, right? Now what I do here is I simply output it as inside before method. So I'm just added one method to the before method. Okay, similarly we will use after method also. Okay, public void after method, this is my method name. Okay, so again I'm just adding only printout only here, let's say inside after method. Clear, right? A simple class which have one test. This is only one test I'm having this class, and I'm having before method and after method. Now I'm executing this. Let's see. So first just see the output. It is saying as a test run 1. Okay, see here 3 methods are there, but it is saying as I am executed only one method. Okay, what it means I already said test runs means nothing but execution of your test. This is your test. Okay, here only one test is there, that's why it is saying as I executed one test, which doesn't means that it does not executed these things. It is executed these things also. I meant to say it executed before and after methods also, but in final output if I say my tests are pass or fail, so only this will be considered as a test. Clear? Now coming to output, here it is saying that I am inside of before method, and again it is saying as a verified login, and it's saying as again inside of after method. So this is the output we got here. Okay, so this is the output we got here, inside before method, verified login, inside after method. So this is your test, right? This is our test. So this before method is executing before to your test. Okay, and this after method is executing after your test. So this point is clear. Before method nothing but will execute before to your method or before to your test, and after method will execute after your method nothing but after your test. Clear? This point is now clear. Now what we'll do here is I will add one more test or 2 or 3 tests here. Let's say in class we have a number of tests, but before after annotated methods is only once. Okay, so we can't use before method 2 times or 3 times like that, only one. Okay, public void, I'm simply saying as verify logout. Let's say I'm just verifying the logout functionality, and let's say system.out.println. Here I'm saying that I'm verified logout. Here I'm done with verification, right? Now let's have one more test also. Let's say I'm having one more test here. Okay, public void verify delete mail. Let's say I'm deleting one mail. Okay, now I just verified it simply. Okay, verified delete mail. So we are good now. So in my class I'm having three tests and one before method and after method. Okay, now execute this class. Okay, see here it is saying as a test runs 3 because I'm having three tests. Clear? Now observe the output. Now I'm just taking it to the notepad. See here, see how it is executed. See, first it is saying that before method, good. Verify delete mail means delete mail test is executed here, and after method, good. Now before method, login, and after method, it is also good. And it's saying that before method, I think I'm not copied totally. Okay, let's recopy again to avoid the confusion. Okay, so here this is a delete and this is again login and this is again logout. See, this before and after method is executing with respect to your test. This is your test, right? For this test it is executed before method and after method. Again this particular test, it is again executing before and after this particular test, and here also it is executed before and after test. Now the point is clear. Before method as well as the after method will work with respect to your test or with respect to your test method. Clear? If you have 5 test methods, so for each and every test method, before method will be executed, and after every test method, after method will be executed. Clear? So this is the first point. So the first point here is, so before and after methods, okay, execute with respect to test. That's it. If you have 10, it will execute 10 times. Okay, and these are only inside your class. Okay, because you are just mentioned this particular before and after methods in one class, right? So only test inside of that class, these are applicable. Why I am specifically saying here is, let's say now you are executing from the testng.xml file. In my testng.xml file, we have seen in previous session I executed 4 class. Now I am adding my 5th class, which just we created now, test class 5, let's say. Okay, so we know that clearly before and after methods are there in this particular class only. We are not added those before and after annotations in other 4 classes. Now I am executing this total testng.xml file. See, this is the output. Now let's collect this total output and paste it here. Okay, so this is the total output. Okay, see, this is a one test case, another test, another test, another test, another test. These are all the tests, and come here only you are seeing the before and after methods, because only one class which has having these 3 tests I has before and after methods. Okay, that's why these trigger in these class only. What I mean to say here is the scope is inside of class only. In which class you mention this before and after method, they are applicable to the only that particular class methods only. Got my point? So that is the behavior of before and after method. Clear?